Now before we dive in, if you find my videos useful, make sure to click that subscribe button and also make sure to click that bell icon on the side to get notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, make sure to follow me on all at SAKITECH online, also for the latest updates. Alright, let's dive in. Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Xiaomi Mi Fold. So Xiaomi Mi Fold is the unofficial folding device that Xiaomi might release into the market if there's enough demand for foldable smartphones. So what happened today was Xiaomi Mi Fold was shown in an official hands-on video, and it was released by Xiaomi themselves. And basically it's a 10-second video, and in this video we can in fact quickly observe a couple things. Now I do want to be very clear, but I do want to let you know that we don't know anything about this phone yet, other than the fact that it's got a dual folding design. So unlike the Samsung Galaxy Fold and the Huawei Mate X, it doesn't fold just one time. It has two folding screens on the side of the device, so it's a dual folding smartphone. And of course, we don't know about the screen size, we do not know about the specs, we don't know about the camera. We basically have no information or the release date of this smartphone. But here's the 10-second video. Take a look at it, and then let me quickly make a couple observations of what we could deduce from this video. So as you can see, the phone has a dual folding design. So it folds into a single smartphone from both sides, from the left and the right. And part of the screen on the left and the right goes to the rear of the actual device. Now some people are saying that this is a better design both than the Samsung Galaxy Fold and of course the Huawei Mate X. But in my opinion, still the Samsung Galaxy Fold I think is the most sensible approach to the emerging foldable market. We don't know about the future, but I just don't like the idea of having screens all over the front and the back. So when you hold the phone in your hand, basically you're just it's exposed from all angles to scratches, fingerprints, and all that stuff. But with the Samsung Fold, you just fold the phone, and the main dish, which is that large tablet-like screen, is hidden and protected inside the fold. But with this Xiaomi Mi Fold, clearly the screen is going to be both on the front and on the back, just like the Huawei Mate X. So I don't think it's a good idea to have it like this, but it's certainly a very interesting concept. And at this stage, like I said, it is at a concept stage. If there's enough demand about this smartphone, they are in fact going to go ahead and release it. Now I do want you to notice one thing when you're watching this video. Notice that they have a swipe gesture. So the guy actually swipes the screen from the side, which rotates the actual software, and then he can actually fold and close the phone. So it's almost like when you swipe the phone, when you use that swiping gesture and the phone rotates, it's ready to be folded. But that's basically it. So that's the Xiaomi Mi Fold, and that's not even an official name, by the way, so we don't know what name they're going to give this phone if it does get released. But drop your comments down below and let me know what you think about it. And of course, let me know if you would prefer the Samsung Galaxy Fold, the Huawei Mate X, or do you think this is a much better idea? Alright guys, for now, have a fantastic day. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.